Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Forex Flossin, where you can find simple explanations for Forex concepts. So in the spirit of simplicity, today's quick video topic is on support and resistance. So here's what you'll need. A TradingView account, knowledge of using drawing tools on TradingView, and navigation through the weekly, 12 and 4-hour time frames. Real quick, before we get into the lesson, I do want you all to know that drawing support and resistance lines is not an exact science. It's a preference. And so what I will be teaching you today is my preference on how best to draw support and resistance lines so that you can learn to interpret your Forex charts. Okay, so what is support? When the price moves down and then pulls back, aka retraces, aka reverses, aka goes in the opposite direction, the lowest point reached before the pullback is considered support. So just a reminder, support is from the bottom. And so now what is resistance? Well, resistance is the exact opposite. When the price moves up and then pulls back, the highest point reached before the pullback is considered resistance. So you can see that here in the chart. So always remember, resistance is from the top. So here we are on TradingView. We are looking at the Aussie New Zealand pair. I'm actually going to remove my previous drawings for this video so we can mark this up together. So just a reminder, we're going to start on the weekly time frame first, and we are looking for our support area. So when we are looking for sufficient support, I like to look for areas where price has touched at least 3 or more times. So I take this handy dandy triangle tool, and I think I've identified a place where price has touched at least three or more times, and so I just mark that area. Now what you will also find with support resistance is that these are zones. They're not exactly a specific point. So just know that within this area, or within this zone, within this channel, this is where the reverse or the pullback could potentially take place. So as you can see, price touched here once, 1, 2, 3, 4 times since about 2009. And again, we are looking at the weekly. Back in 2017, it touched. So that's a good area for support. Now we're going to take our same triangle tool and find resistance point. Remember, resistance is from the top. I like to start here. And as you can see, here's 1, 2, 3 areas where price has touched. And I also want to get this support area. This is pretty significant too. Price has also touched 3 times up here. Okay, so these are support and resistance zones on the weekly time frame. And actually, this could also be considered a resistance zone if we're looking at how price comes down here and kind of bounces a little bit. But again, this is on our weekly time frame, and now we're going to go down to our 12-hour time frame and see what type of story this tells us. So on the 12-hour time frame, I have been able to find a support level right about here. I don't like that color. Let's make it, yeah. Right about here. As you can see, price hit it at least 4 times since October of 2019. And our weekly resistance level covers the resistance that we see on this time frame. I would also mark this area as a support level. Price touched here 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, so this is the 12-hour. Now let's head on to the 4-hour. And on the 4-hour, we kind of see this trend, this upward trend, right? Now we're going to cover trend lines in more detail in another video, but I just wanted to go back to the 12-hour to kind of put brackets or trend lines around this upward moving channel. So what I'll do is go to my tool, look at the trend line, hit 3 points, and kind of bracket this area off, right? The market is closed, by the way. So now when I go down to my 4-hour time frame, I see how this pair is trending upwards, right? And so it's at the bottom of this channel. This is what you call a channel. It's at the bottom of this channel. So what I would do is wait to see if it breaks this channel, retests, and goes down, or bounces off of this support area, because essentially this trend line is another support level, and rallies up. Well, guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you found this information useful. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.